So today I'm going to show you two different ways of preparing spinach. Stop. Go. So today I'm going to show you two different ways. Hi guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen, where we cook delicious meals that are very easy to prepare. If you are new here, karibu sana, and feel free to press the notification button down below so once I upload a video, you'll be able to be notified. For you who's already part of Winnfrey's kitchen family, asante sana, and stay tuned for more of these delicious recipes. So today I'm going to show you two different ways of preparing spinach, the creamy way and the buttered way. Let's do this.
For the ingredients, we need finely chopped spinach, 2 medium-sized onions, 1 bunch of coriander stems and its leaves, 1.5 tablespoons of butter, 1 knorr beef cube, a half tablespoon of dhana jeera, a half cup of Maziwa Mala, salt to taste. Heat some oil and butter in a sufuria. Always add oil before to avoid the butter from burning. Once this is heated up, add your finely diced onions and coriander stems and let this saute for a few seconds. Add your dhana jeera, beef cube and salt and let this cook too. Once it's well cooked, add your spinach which is thoroughly washed and coriander leaves and let this cook well, but ensure that it has not overcooked or changed color. And the buttered spinach is ready. Split the spinach into two and plate the other half while the other half is left in the sufuria. For the creamed spinach, add the Maziwa Mala on the other half of the cooked spinach left in the sufuria and let this cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once cooked, put it aside and it's also ready to plate. I had mine with ugali and fish, and let me tell you, the spinach was in another level. Please try both methods and let me know which recipe you loved more on the comment section down below.
That's all we had for you today. Be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Winnfrey's Kitchen for more of these quick and easy delicious homemade recipes. Till next time, auf Wiedersehen!